How to fix AirPods Pro not connecting to iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to fix AirPods Pro not connecting to iPhone. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and slide down from the right side of your screen and tap on the Bluetooth icon and make sure Bluetooth is enabled on your device, as if the Bluetooth is not enabled, there is no chance that your phone will be connected to the AirPods. You can also launch the settings application on your device and tap on the Bluetooth option and enable Bluetooth from there too by toggling on the Bluetooth button. The next fix for this issue is reset all settings. In order to reset all settings, go to settings again and tap on general and scroll down and tap on transfer or reset iPhone, then on reset and then on reset all settings. Enter your Face ID or passcode and reset all settings. Doing this will reset all settings, nevertheless, none of your data or media will be deleted. Your iPhone will take an auto restart now. If your issue is still not fixed, then reset your AirPods to factory settings. To reset, put the AirPods in the AirPods case and close the lid and then wait for 30 seconds. Open the lid again and then press and hold the setup button on the back of the case for about 15 seconds until the status light flashes amber and then white. Once you have reset your AirPods, try to connect again and see if the issue is fixed or not. And the last fix for this issue is tap on Bluetooth again and then tap on the info button beside your AirPods and scroll down. You will see the option for forget this device. Tap on that and forget the device and rejoin again, and your issue should have been resolved by now. If you find this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.